Alright, today is the day. We're going to get some new rubber and wheels on the Gen 2 Dodge. These tires are bald. The new ones are going to look something like this. If you like that, stick around. Well, we got the wheels sanded down just a little bit, smoothed out. Got them cleaned up, degreased. I think we're ready to shoot a little bit of primer on them first. And then we'll shoot them. We're going to do a gloss black. So, hold on, we'll get to it. Alright, we got the wheels all sanded down, cleaned up. We're going to shoot the inside of the wheels, just one coat first, then we'll flip them over, do the front side. So, here we go. Here they are the next day, all nice and shiny, smooth, dry to the touch. Get some rubber on them, see if they'll work for what we intend to do with them. Alright, in this box is what we got. It's going to allow us to mount, oh they're heavy, those Ford rims onto a Dodge bolt pattern. I don't know if I'm crazy about them. I don't know what to think about them. I certainly don't like that part of it, but I couldn't find any other ones that were actually stamped and made in the USA verified. So, and all the ones that were available for this particular bolt pattern, which is 5 on 5.5 to 8 by 170, I believe, or 180. That's what they had available. So we're going to go with this. We're going to bring these down to the tire shop, put those rims on, and see how they work. Curious what they weigh. £8, 13 ounces, almost 9 pounds each, times 4, that's 36 pounds. Added to the weight of the rotating mass of the tires. We got the adapters on there. It looks like we're going to have to shade those down and cut it to come up a little bit, about a 1/4 inch or so. So there they are, mounted on the truck. These are the tires that I picked up. They were used. Paid a little over $100 for the tires. And the rims I actually picked up a while back. They intended to go onto a Ford diesel that I had at the time, but they've been just sitting around here for so long, so I figured I'd get them painted up, put on. Found the tires. Did need the wheel adapter, which is on back there. I'm not sure if I'm crazy about the wheel adapter. For the aesthetics, it does push the wheel out a little bit different, you know, out about a couple inches outside the body, but not that. It's just, to me, it's one extra piece and possible point of failure. Last thing you want is a wheel falling off. That's kind of important cruising down the road. This truck is used for towing my car trailer frequently, so I want to make sure it's safe. That's my question. I don't know if you guys have ever used these. If you got any bad stories about them, good stories, if they've worked for you for years, that's great. As for the fitment of the tire, this 20-inch, again, these are for a Ford F-150 with the adapter, so I don't know how a 20 would fit on here from a Dodge with the actual bolt pattern from a newer generation Dodge truck, but because the offset, the back set, the width, the spacer bringing it out a couple inches, all of that things, it did in fact rub here a little bit, so I just took a little notch out on the front and that cleared up that portion. It does clear it, however in the back it does rub, oh, right in that area somewhere on the tire, so when you turn sharp you can hear it rubbing. So the next step, what we're going to do, we got a little rough country kit that's going to bring it up 3 inches. I believe it's 3 inches in the front, 2.5 in the back, just a leveling kit. So that's the next step that we're going to do. And for now, run these tires. I have been driving it, feels good. Like I say, it's just the rubbing issue that's bothering me now, so we're going to take care of that in the next video.